Want to score those wholesale deals on Dhgate but only have Cash App handy? Let's cut through the confusion and see if it's actually possible. First, let's address the big question: can you directly pay with Cash App on Dhgate? The short answer is no. Dhgate doesn't directly support Cash App as a payment method. If you've searched for the option during checkout, you won't find it listed. However, don't give up just yet. There's a workaround: your Cash App debit card. Because it functions like a regular Visa or MasterCard, you can use your Cash App debit card just like any other debit or credit card on Dhgate. To do this, start by browsing Dhgate and adding the items you want to your cart, then proceed to checkout. When you get to the payment section, select the option to pay with a credit or debit card. Carefully enter your Cash App debit card number, expiration date, and CVV code just like you would for any other card. Ensure all the information is correct to avoid any payment issues. Complete the checkout process and you're good to go. If your Cash App balance is sufficient, your payment should be processed successfully. If you don't have a Cash App debit card, don't worry. Dhgate offers several other secure payment options, including major credit and debit cards, PayPal, and bank transfers. Explore these to find the most convenient choice for you. So, while Dhgate doesn't directly accept Cash App, your Cash App debit card provides a viable solution. Now you can get those wholesale deals with ease. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips.